Hey, so it's no secret that we store all this angst and anxiety and worry and all this stuff that gets ginned up during our domestic meltdown divorce situation in the body. So we want to address that. Now, a lot of people address it by going for a long walk or hitting the CrossFit gym or playing hoops with their friends or tennis or whatever physical activity. It's all fantastic. On the other side, some do the drinking, the marijuana, whatever in that direction, using substances. I'm nobody to judge. I'm just telling you that is a way to deal with it too, right? So here's another way, I think, maybe a little healthier, and that is the roller. Now, we're talking about divorce, okay? What's he talking about rolling for? You'll see. So as you can see, I have a lot of rollers here. This considered lacrosse ball, softball, electrified roller, smaller. This one's electrified. This is a pretty high-end one, maybe on the market, the highest end one. This thing could cause an earthquake. Pretty powerful. Benefit to these, obviously, they, you just let it do the work. And Tom Brady really likes these. These are excellent. These get into the body a little more painful because of the knobs and stuff. But the electrified are great because it gets in the body. I really recommend the feet. They don't get a lot of work, right? You can move to the inside of the thigh here. These are just areas I'm assuming you don't really hit. Everybody knows how to roll, basically. It's not rocket science. But here, I'll turn this off for now. As far as rolling, again, most people know how to roll, right? We just don't do it. So you do your standard, you know this, it's pretty natural. But you can, put the other leg on that. And then whenever you do these, you can windshield wiper any of these maneuvers to get in a little deeper. Now, this is something you got to kind of do to understand what I'm talking about. Another one is here, not on the tibia bone, but here. Not on the tibia, that's going to hurt. So you got to maneuver a little bit and get in there. That area gets no attention, but you want to give it to there. You can also sit back here. And you can roll a bit if you press down, but really you're just getting some love in there. Even the stomach can be rolled out. Over here, a little bit moving around. Forearms, of course. Bicep, of course. The back, don't do the lower back. Be smart about it. But the point is, we trap emotions in the body, and this releases them. I was going to say single most powerful thing, but one of the most powerful things you can do is roll out before bed. Now, again, you're texting, how could she do this to you? All this stuff's going through. I get that. But when you roll out, you start getting into the body and connecting with different areas, different energies. It's something you have to do to feel the full effects, okay? So obviously the morning's great. You go to the gym, you might do it. But I find before bed is pretty powerful to do it because you wake up and you're looser. I'm telling you, do this a few days just before bed. And when you wake up, you'll feel a little looser. And you may find that you're not reacting so quickly with anger or emotion and everything that's trapping you now. I wish people had told me this when I was going through all this. Because I got deep into CrossFit and like a maniac, and that's great. Look, I'm a big fan. You meet good people, motivated environment, you're training, you're looking good, feeling good, and that kind of thing. I don't want to get in a debate about CrossFit, but or any kind of training. Soul Cycle, that's what I call building strength and burning off steam. But the roller gets emotional in the sense that you're in the body and it's working. Oh, you feel that. And again, we trap energy in ourselves. I know for me, it comes in a lot of guys, it comes into the chest area, the, fight or flight type thing. So give this a try. Make some comments in below, share your experience. You can email us at divorcestrong@yahoo.com. I'd love to do a fitness segment with you guys over Zoom where we do this kind of stuff. So divorcestrong@yahoo.com, just email us and we can set that up and tailor things, tailor movements, tailor physicality to your needs, which again is we've had clients or people reaching out who it's just become concrete on the whole body, and the mind controls everything. We know that, but it makes the way to deal with these sometimes easier when we can go through the physical portal. And the roller is a start to that. And there are plenty of other stretches and different breathing techniques that help access that as well. Okay? When you're doing the roller, it's a good time to work on the breathing too. I'll do more about this down the road, but I wanted to share that with you. And do some rolling before bed. Pick your poison. You can go electric. PVC pipe is harder. So, you might start with the foam roller, a little easier on the body. Then maybe play with this one, electrified. PVC is harder. And then ultimately, I think the knobby, hard plastic one is probably at the top of the food chain here as far as, discomfort and growing into that. Being comfortable with the uncomfortable. Welcome to the party. Talk to y'all soon.